Hi there, this is Spoken English class number 3 and we are learning to speak English without grammar. No grammar rule, just speaking practice. So here this is the first question. What's the best place you have ever visited? कौन सी बेहतरीन जगह जो आपने कभी भी विजिट किया है? What is the best place you have ever visited? Repeat these questions with me. What is the best place you have ever visited? You are asking these questions from your friends, from your partners. So ask this question from your cousin, from your friend, from your younger brothers or sisters for speaking practice. What's the best place you have ever visited? Second way to ask the similar question, have you ever been to China? Here we have replaced visited with been. So you can simply say, have you ever visited China? क्या आपने कभी चाइना विजिट किया है? Have you ever visited स्कर्दू? क्या स्कर्दू विजिट किया है? तो इन दोनों का आंसर सिमिलर होगा. जवाब देने वाला कहेगा I have visited स्कर्दू. It's really a famous and wonderful place. Most of the people visit these hill areas when they have summer vacations, and I like the people there. People are so nice there, they are so humble, they are so polite, they are very friendly people. तो आप स्पोकन इंग्लिश में इसका आंसर करें. अभी मैं प्रैक्टिस करवाता हूँ, पहले हम इनको क्वेश्चंस को थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंड कर लें. व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट मेमोरी यू हैव एवर हैड रिगार्डिंग योर चाइल्डहुड? यानी कि सिंपल भी कह सकते हैं, व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी? कौन सी चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी आपकी बेस्ट है? व्हाट इज़ योर बेस्ट चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी? व्हाट इज़ योर बेस्ट चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी? आपकी बेस्ट चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी क्या है? तो बंदा कहेगा, ओह या आई यूज्ड टू प्ले इन स्ट्रीट्स, hide and seek with my friends. Yeah, I used to visit my grandmother's home in Kashmir. कश्मीर में मैं जाया करता था अपनी grandmother को visit करने. And the weather there is so amazing. And the people are so nice. Similar जवाब को यहाँ पे फिट कर सकते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. क्योंकि आपने मेमोरी बतानी है, कोई भी आप मेमोरी बता सकते हैं या आप कोई इवेंट बता सकते हैं. You can tell about an event. One day I just rang a bell and the person caught me. बच्चे शरारती होते हैं, they used to ring the bells in streets. So when I rang the bell, a person caught me. Then I said, sorry uncle, it would never happen again. ये दोबारा नहीं होगा. Next question is, tell me something about your school life. So for school, friends are really important. You can say we had a great group of 5 people. And we always had fun. We studied together, we used to go out on weekends, and we had a wonderful time in school. Even you can say at school I was a brilliant student. I was monitor of the class and I always led the class, whole class actually, and my all friends followed me on every command. So the last question is, what was the best game you have ever played in your childhood? So you can say, I used to go out with my father and we used to catch fish. So this was the best game for me because it was my hobby and I always loved catching fish, sitting on the river. दरिया के ऊपर बैठे हुए मछलियाँ पकड़ना मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता था और यही मेरी गेम थी. या आप फर्दर इसमें कह सकते हैं, आई यूज़ टू प्ले इन द स्ट्रीट्स विद फ्रेंड्स, या आई यूज़ टू प्ले लूडो एट माई होम व्हेन माई कज़न्स विजिटेड मी. जब मेरे कज़न विज़िट करते थे तो मैं गेम्स लूडो खेलना पसंद करता था. तो अभी मैं सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस आपसे करूँगा, सेम क्वेश्चंस, और मैं पॉज लूँगा. उस पॉज के अंदर आपने वो आंसर करना होगा. What's the best place you have ever visited? Have you ever been to China? What's the best childhood memory you have ever had? What games you used to play in your childhood? Tell me something about your school life. I hope you enjoyed this spoken English session, and for the next video series, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.